Alright, here's part 2 of the microwave experiments, and in this one I'm gonna see what happens when you put a bar of soap into the microwave. So let's see what happens. Alright. Okay, can you close the light, please? Alright, let's see what happens. Might take some time. I don't know if you can see that. It's starting to bubble up. Wow, that's pretty crazy. Remember, please don't try this at home. Alright, can you turn on the light? I'm just going to open it up so you guys can see it. Check that out. It's pretty crazy. It's awesome.
Smells good though.
Oh, it is soap. That's pretty crazy. Let's put it back in and see what happens. Yeah, turn off the light. Smells really good, actually. It's like a big soap bubble.